Yo, what's going on, guys? Bro, I am really fucking tired. Really, really tired. Okay, let me start the screen share. Hopefully, we can have a very quick day today. I have so much to do. I have to release the indicator. I have to get a trade going. I'm running on like an hour of sleep. So yeah, hopefully today's a quick day. All right, guys. But yeah, okay. Let me start the screen share. And by the way, hopefully you guys had a very, very nice weekend. It's finally Thanksgiving weekend, so it's gonna be a long one this week. Once again, the markets are closed on both Thursday and Friday. So thankfully, we have at least have some days to enjoy to ourselves. All right, guys. But anyways, so since it's Monday, let's kind of lock in on Monday. All right, guys. Okay, so coming to market open off the rip, we are just ripping heads. I mean, we took out the London up here. We took out the external up here. We have nothing anymore until all the way up there. Um, so yeah, we have a very long way to go today. But no, the market just opened on a more serious note about 4 minutes ago. So obviously, I need to let it do its own thing. See if we want to go higher, see if we want to start reacting off this. Now I know that coming to market open, we did take out 24,598, and we are way above it. I mean, like 60 points above this level, 70 points above this level of liquidity already. But if you look over at ES, we just took out the external up here that NQ took out about 70 points ago. All right, so I get it. Right now, we might look super ultra bullish and everything, but we still need to wait and see, right? We're not guaranteed bullish yet. Now, hold on. Let me go ahead and put out some stuff here real quick. Let me just prepare here. Just in case you do go higher, I just want to be sure that I have everything all set up. But before I do say that we want to go higher, I get it on NQ. We have all the room to go higher and everything, but we need to make sure that ES is also able to hold above it as well, which for now it is. All right. But just so you guys know, we just took it out on ES. All right, pen NQ is just ripping here. Now, if we do want to look to take a long time, I mean, we definitely could. The market just opened and the move just started to the upside. So I don't really think we're overbought yet. And we could definitely work with an inverse. Now, let me stop talking here and kind of like just put this ready real quick, just in case. One second. Let me just be ready here. But yeah, if we do want to trade into higher, we definitely could. It's just gonna be a little tricky with the price targets, just because there's not much to really target here at all. I mean, we could target this here as well. So what we could do is target 3 price targets, which would be the oh my god, we're about to inverse it already, bro. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 sec, guys. Give me 1 sec, bro. Okay. Let me put that on live on YouTube. What's up, YouTube? I don't really have too much time to really introduce you guys to the stream, but hopefully you guys are doing good. Let me put that on live really quick before this trade plays out. 1 sec, guys. One sec. Okay. Wait. Okay, I have to wake up, bro. I have to wake up. 1 sec, guys. Okay, there we go. Okay. So let me see. I literally have to wake up here. Okay. So if you do end up taking longs, it would look something like this. We would have 3 price targets, which will be the first fair value gap entry, second fair value gap entry, and a rejection off the fair value gap right over here on the 5-minute time frame. We would look to take something like maybe like 35, maybe 40 points depending on the size. Okay. Is ES holding? Yes, ES is currently holding, so ES is currently bullish. Let me look at the higher time frame. Okay, ES does have a fair value gap that we have not entered just yet, but we do have room for higher though, which could lead us to go higher on NQ. Let me just get that ready. 1 sec, guys. Okay. 1 sec. Let me just make sure everything's ready here. Okay, let me go to my channel. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So let me make sure the 5-minute time frame looks good. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me look at 15 minutes. My bad, guys. I know I sound like I'm all over the place. It's just I'm thinking out loud. I'm just making sure that everything looks set up and ready here. But yeah, I did not expect us to really pump up this high so quick. It's only been 7 minutes into market open. But I just want to make sure that ES is able to. We're kind of rejecting a little bit. Like we have buying pressure, especially on NQ, but we're kind of rejecting a little bit on ES. So I don't want to see us holding below this level of liquidity because obviously, if ES holds bearish while NQ holds bullish, it's kind of like a 50-50, right? And whoever gains more control in the market. So hopefully this is just a simple pullback before we seek a little bit higher. Thankfully, we didn't inverse the fair value gap, which would help us avoid getting faked out with an entry, just in case we did end up getting the inverse entry. All right, but pretty much what we're looking for now, guys, is since we're bullish, pretty much what we want to see is since we're holding above 24,598, at least for now, we pretty much just want to see a simple 15-minute fair value gap inverse into 803, maybe a little bit less. 803 is a pretty big price target. It's about 80 points. So obviously we'll be talking like 35, 40 at first. But 803 would ideally be our first price target. Right now, the reason I'm saying 803 will be our first price target is because if you look at the 5-minute time frame, above this 15-minute inverse, there's literally nothing stopping us until 803, right? Or actually, there's one thing that could stop us. That's why I'm looking for buying pressure, and that one little thing is ES. All right, check this out. ES is currently holding a little bit bearish, right? So we will need ES to flip from red to green. I personally think this is going to be a pullback. I mean, yeah, a little pullback, or a retracement before higher. But what I want to see is us flip this candle from red to green, hold above 677. And then the only thing that can really stop us would be this 15-minute bearish value gap entry all the way up here. But we could still take longs because we still have room to go into 692. All we need to do is just kind of just wait for us to hold above it. All right, now both ES and NQ are holding a little bit red on the 5-minute time frame. Like I said, I hope it's a pullback. Now if it's not, it's totally fine as long as the volume stays active and we sell off into holding below 598. We can still look to take shorts off this 5-minute inverse. And my cat's in the middle of the screen, so I can't even see my chart. One sec. Okay. But yeah, even if we don't get the longs that we want, we can still look to definitely take shorts as well. Obviously, we have a pretty long way to go for shorts. Same thing as longs. As long as the volume looks good, I'm sure we'll be fine. It will just take a little bit of time, like a few minutes maybe. Now, today we don't have any news, which is could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I don't really know. We'll find out. But since we're kind of rejecting here, ES obviously is looking way stronger to the downside. So an inverse off ES will probably work a lot more. I'm not really trying to trade ES today, although it does look really, really good. I would kind of prefer just trade a little bit of NQ today. But we'll see. We'll see. All right. Now, in this point in time, it's going to be a little bit tricky to really tell you guys what to expect in the market. Just because, obviously, like I said, ES is holding temporarily bearish. I mean, we're kind of like 5 points below the level of liquidity. So as long as we can hold above it on both ES and NQ, we could hold bullish. But since ES is holding below it while NQ is holding above it, for now, it's a little bit hard, right? Because we don't know what's leading in the market. We don't know which one wants more of, whatever, right? Do we want to go lower more on ES or do we want to go higher more on NQ? All right, so we need to see. We need the market to really decide what it wants to do. Now, if ES does end up selling off, which it kind of is right now, we're in this 5-minute bullish rally gap, which we're not going to be trading. I don't really want to trade ES today. Like I said, if you guys want, obviously the setup is there, the confirmations are there and everything. It's pretty much the same setup. I just want to trade NQ. I like it a lot more. All right, but right now we are inside of this 5-minute gap on NQ. So like I said, I don't really know what's going to happen right now because obviously when inside of a 5-minute on ES and NQ, one is bullish, one is bearish. We don't know, right? I typically I'm able to tell you guys my bias and idea and everything based off both of them aligning with each other. So if we're getting a 5-minute bullish rally gap bounce on NQ and a 5-minute bullish rally gap bounce on ES, with both of them holding above the level of liquidity, obviously we know that we're more than likely going to go a lot higher up. All right, but in this case, I mean, this one's holding below it and this one's holding above it. So it's like I have an idea of what to expect. I mean, it's kind of like a 50-50. Either the market goes up or the market goes down. You know what I mean? So hopefully, if we do end up getting a fair value gap bounce off of this 5-minute here on NQ, that could be enough to push ES a little bit higher into holding above this level of liquidity. And that should be able to give us more of an idea. All right, now, if we see that ES actually ends up inversing this fair value gap, obviously ES is going to sell off. It will show us that sellers are in a lot more control. And that will actually give us a little bit more selling over on NQ to go ahead and hold below 598 to give us more of a bearish bias. Then I'll be able to tell you guys, hey, we're probably going to go a lot lower, right? Because both ES and NQ are going to be, obviously going down. But for now, we're holding a full buying candle here, which is pretty much the pullback that we kind of expected. But I don't want to be so quick to tell you guys that we're going to go higher until we hold above this level of liquidity on ES. All right, guys, we need both of them to kind of align to be bullish. All right, guys. But yeah, here, let me drink some water real quick. But yeah, all right. Anyways, but yeah, for now, obviously, just be paying. My bad. Just be ready. Obviously, pay attention and everything. Bro, my cat's in the middle of the screen again, bro. Please. Hold on, let me open the window real quick. All right, there we go. I'm back. All right. But yeah. Now, obviously, ES is not going to have as much buying pressure as NQ because obviously ES is not really as interested in higher anymore. So obviously we know that NQ is definitely leading to the upside. It's just a matter of which one can take more control first, right? Because obviously we're going to trade the first move, you know. So yeah, we'll see. Because we just flipped this candle from red to green back to red. I mean, it's kind of like a doji candle right now. So obviously the market is a little bit indecisive still. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Once again, if we end up getting the inverse first on ES, I'm sure we'll probably go lower before we see higher. It doesn't mean that we can't see higher today. It just means that obviously, you know, for the open, you know, that's kind of what we would expect. All right. Now, as we wait for this, I know you guys, I don't have the chat open. I'm 100% locked in on the chart right now. But I know you guys are probably asking about the indicator. You guys are probably asking like a million questions right now that I can't see yet. But yes, guys, I'm releasing the indicator today. All right, guys, I pretty much have everything set up and ready. Obviously, I have to focus on one thing or the other, whether it's a chart or, you know, the indicator or whatever. So I'll post the indicator after the stream, or maybe I would say during the stream, if anything. If we're able to get a good trade going and everything, and we're pretty much done for the day, I would just, you know, make it public on stream, and you guys can ask me questions. You guys can get it and all that stuff. But yeah, today I am finally releasing it. All right. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, a little bit excited. But we'll see. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. Hopefully there's no issues with the script. I did. Oh yeah, we're getting inverse here on ES. So hopefully we can start expecting a little bit lower here. We need to hold below, like I said, 598. We're about 18, 20 points away from it. So we'll see. For now, let me delete this so I don't confuse anyone. But yeah, back to the indicator. So I'm really, 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 really hoping that everything goes according to plan. I did create a FAQ channel because I know. Trust me, it's really simple to install into your chart. There's a few steps though, but it is really simple to install into your chart. I know that still a lot of people are gonna have a lot of problems. So please, before you guys ask something in the chat and have me super overwhelmed with all the questions, check the channel. All right, I took a lot of time yesterday to actually create it and answer every possible question that could possibly happen. Just so you guys can obviously, you know, get the help needed. All right, it's super simple. Literally, all you need to do is once you get it, go to your settings on WAP, link your trading view, which is just putting in your username on trading view, and then you click claim indicator, and then you go to indicators, and it'll just be there. All right, it's literally that simple. But obviously, there's a few steps to linking it, like 3 clicks. All right, but obviously, some people are probably still gonna get a little bit lost. So I made a step-by-step channel just in case. All right. So for those wondering why didn't I release it yesterday, I kind of spent the whole day kind of just making graphics and just making it super nice and everything and organized. So you guys can use it. All right, but it will be released today. All right, hopefully during the stream. All right, that's if we get a good trade going, so you know we don't have to focus on the markets anymore. But yeah, now if we're doing good with this inverse, I'm sure we'll have we will have room for higher. I mean lower. Okay. But yeah, once again, guys, I'll catch up with the chat a little bit later. Right now I'm a little bit fully locked in this chart. I want to make sure I know everything that's going on in the markets, so just so I have an understanding. Yeah, hopefully we can see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of expecting. I mean, not expecting. I'm actually hoping for a little bit higher here. But either direction really works out. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Yeah, we have room for lower. We have room for higher. Any direction works. Hopefully we could just get a move soon. Because remember, guys, this week not only is it a holiday, but today is a no news Monday, and you guys know typically no news Mondays are known as very choppy days because obviously the market doesn't have anything to really rely on, or maybe you know really make a move from because there's no news coming out. All right, so whatever volume we're getting at this open, I'm hoping we can see it for a lot longer, but don't really expect it to be for a lot longer. You know what I mean? It's just the opening volume. So hopefully we don't die down inside of this range here where we're inside of a 15-minute bearish and inside of a 5-minute bullish. Hopefully we can break out of a range with a nice bias, a clear bias and everything, and good volume. So we can get a quick trade going, you know, quick 35, 40 points. We hold runners a little bit higher and we finish the day. All right. So yeah. And actually, ES ended up inversing this for value cap and actually kind of faked it out a little bit, which is obviously a very good sign for NQ because it just shows that, hey, ES ended up getting a bearish setup. My bad, hold up. But yeah, ES ended up getting a bearish setup and everything, and it didn't end up holding, which shows that obviously buyers are in a lot more control. And if buyers are in a lot more control, which one do you think is going to be leading a lot more? Well, the one that's pretty much in control of buyers, right? ES was in control of sellers, NQ was in control of buyers, which is why it's about to break out the high while ES is all the way down here. All right. Now, it doesn't mean that we should enter longs just yet. It just means, be ready. You know what I mean? We could probably expect something very soon. All right. So while I do that, let me kind of just put this back a little bit. There you go. But yeah. Oh my, we have 700 people in this live. What the fuck? What are you guys? What? Okay, whatever. Let me not focus on that. We're going down, dude. I don't know how, bro. What is the indicator? Oh my god, here we go, guys. The indicator says everything that I'm saying, bro. It's how we quoted it. I think we've gone through it like a million times. But yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention, guys. Today, I think the Apex discount, 80% off discount, is ending at midnight today. So yeah, it's the last day. So if you guys do want to stack up on some accounts before the discount ends, I don't think they're gonna do one like this for a long time. It's a really, really cheap one. It's 80% off with $40 PA fees, which is the cheapest in the platform game. So if you guys do want to use it, it's called Blastoise. It's on the screen. But yeah, today is the last day. All right. Now I know I say a lot that they're probably not gonna do it, and they end up doing it like 5 minutes after it ends. But I don't know. I mean, it's a pretty cheap one, so maybe they do another discount, but it's probably not gonna be as big as this one. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, just for now, obviously from what we know, today is is the last day to use the 80% off discount. So once again, it's called Blastoise. All right, guys. So if you guys want to pass some funded accounts, or you already did, obviously make sure you guys activate your accounts by tonight, because if not, it's gonna be like $160 instead of $40. All right. So yeah, keep that in mind. Now I know a lot of you guys might have by the way, we just flipped from green to red again, so a very confusing market, but we still have an idea, which is good. All right, now I know a lot of you guys always have this question, and you guys say, hey, if I bought an account during the discount, hold on, let me delete this. If I bought an account during the discount and I passed it, after the discount ends, can I still use the $40 PA fee? No, you need to pass it and activate it during the discount, which is why I'm telling you guys, obviously try to stack up on some. If you guys already passed some and you guys haven't activated it, today's the last day to really use the discount. If not, it'll be just the full price starting tonight at midnight. All right, guys, just so you guys know. Now, back to the charts. So right now we're holding a little bit bearish here, which is actually pretty surprising. I actually didn't expect sellers to really step in all the way here. But obviously, well, we're kind of dancing on this price. We're still kind of like neutral, but obviously right now we're leaning a little bit more bearish. Hold on, before I say anything, give me 1 second. Let me kind of edit this real quick. 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Okay, I'm just making sure I have everything ready. Just set up and ready. Now, what was I talking about? I completely forgot. But yeah, like I said, we're kind of just dancing on this level of liquidity, so there's not much for me to really say just yet. I get it. We still have a lot of volume. We have a lot of, everything in the market, but it's just like we're kind of just like sandwiched in between two opposite fair value guys. One is bearish, one is bullish. We're rejecting and bouncing off both. So there's not much I can really say right now on, other than, yeah, hey, like if we hold below 598, which we're kind of dancing around, we can, we would have a bearish bias into lower, but, we're holding below it, we're holding above it, we're getting green, we're getting red. It's all over the place. All right. So we're kind of just waiting on a more of a cleaner move. Hopefully it's soon. Cause yeah, you guys see what I'm saying though, right? Like this is the level that we need to work with, which is this external here. We have a fair value projection. We were holding below it. It looks really bearish, right? But now we're holding fully green. So like, and even greener. So I don't really know what to say. Too much. Yeah. I mean, like we can work with both sides, which is good, so we don't have to worry about missing the move. But it's like, hopefully we don't chop around this range and get too choppy, because I mean, obviously I would love to try to catch the move here. It's just a matter of which direction breaks out first, right? Because it looks really choppy. At first we're holding bearish. At first we're holding bullish, then bearish, and now bullish again with a lot of buying pressure. So it's like, you know what I mean? It's a little all over the place, but we'll see. As long as we don't force anything, we're good, let me see. Hold on, guys. Let me kind of just type this up real quick again, just in case we do it. I'm getting some upside. Okay, perfect. I was just preparing everything just in case we do end up seeing a little bit higher here. Now, we are pumping up quite a bit. Remember, we have no news today, so this is just pure volume, just pure buying orders coming into the markets. But why? Because we were holding below. We did hit the midpoint, but we were bearish a second ago. Now we're super bullish again. ES is pumping up as well. To be fair, we did take out some internals here. Not the strongest, but it's something. It's like that. We took out these two levels. So I guess we can expect a little bit of a pump here. But is it the pump that we, that's going to guarantee us higher? Or is it just a pullback? I don't really know. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, if we were to take longs, I mean, we're about, 55 points away, which sounds like it's a lot, but it's really not. Just because the market is pumping and dumping about 100 points per candle. About 70 points per candle on average. Yeah, 82 points, 77 points, 102 points. Okay, yeah, so we have good volume. That's, at least we don't have to worry about that. The only thing we have to worry about is obviously, any pullback will be obviously a pretty heavy pullback. So hopefully we don't have to deal with that. But I'm just hoping before the pullback, anything, forget about that. Hopefully you can get a clean read in the market, because right now, like I said, we have amazing volume. We have an amazing setup. We can get reads all over the place. It's just like, hey, like we can't really work with anything if we're in between these two fair value gaps. So I'm really, really hoping that we can get a move or a breakout soon out of either of these, whether it's the upside or the downside. I don't really care. I'm sure I can get something. But it's like, you know what I mean? Like, why are we pumping and then dumping and then pumping and then dumping? You know what I mean? To be fair, it is a no news Monday with a lot of volume. So I guess we can kind of like expect that as well. I'm just hoping we don't start chopping and the volume dies down, because I really want to get a trade going. But we'll see. In the meantime, I guess have some time to kind of open up the chat and see what you guys are saying. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see. Are you gonna start the Zil to Payout challenge? Yeah, I actually am planning on doing it. Obviously, not instantly, not as I post the indicator. I'm sure you guys know that 0 to Payout challenge is a lot of work. So yeah, I'll have to prepare myself, but yeah. A 100-point stop loss isn't bad. Works on a higher time frame. Well, you got to make sure, you got to understand that not everyone here has a built up buffer on their accounts. So a 100-point stop loss for a lot of people is a one and done trade. Like, you get out and They have a picture of your cat. When did you get it, bro? I have 2 cats. I got one 2 years ago. Actually, bro, my cat's birthday was like a few days ago. I didn't even notice. But yeah. And I have a cat that I got maybe a few months ago, maybe. So yeah. Sure, pick. I'll do that after. I don't even have my phones on me right now. It's on my couch. I'm just a little locked in here. Phones? No, not like that, bro. Bro, at T-Mobile, there's like some deal going on that if you buy one, you get one free. I'm like, all right, bro, whatever. So I have to. Let's see. Yo, David, do I have to pay for holding accounts? Like, if I do, I have to pay even though I don't trade on it. Yeah. If the eval is active, yes. Even though you passed it and you haven't paid for the activation fee, you have to pay for it every single month. All right. So if I were you, bro, if you pass it right now and you're not gonna use it, you might as well use the $40 PA fee discount, and just hold it as a PA, as a lifetime PA. You never have to pay for it again, and you're fine. You don't have to use it, but you don't have to pay for it, which is also even better. You know what I mean? Yeah, don't hold on to evals, bro. Just pass them and then hold on to the PAs. You don't have to trade the PAs, but at least you don't have to pay the monthly fee on an eval, even though it's useless. You know what I mean? Yeah, let me catch up with the chat. Blast, once your accounts have been approved, can you trade them without getting denied? Yeah. Once your payout gets approved, yes, you can. Although it's not in your bank, you could trade on them. But if you want to be extra sure, you can wait for it to hit your bank before you trade on it. Because a lot of people obviously overthink about it. So yeah, but I'm here to tell you guys, yeah, if it says approved, you're more than good to trade on the accounts. David, why are you only off 1 hour of sleep? Um, a lot of it was because of the indicator. I was making sure everything's perfect, and I just want to double check one last time. But I'm sure it's good. Like to release. But dude, I also couldn't sleep, bro, because my stomach was hurting a lot, bro. Do not eat McDonald's tonight, guys. And it still hurts a little bit. So yeah. But yeah, my stomach was hurting a little bit, so I couldn't get sleep because of that. I'm sure I'm sure David checked like 20 times. Dude, more, bro. More. I'm excited, bro. I like how it came out and everything, but dude, I just don't want anything to go wrong, bro. That's the one thing. You guys know how I am, bro. I'm like very like if you guys look at my announcements, I will always make graphics. I just like everything to be organized and just good. You know what I mean? Like I don't like any rushed work. I don't like anything going bad or anything. So I'm just double checking, quadruple checking if I have to make sure everything is set up good. So you know what I mean? Should I cancel the evals then or trade them? Just pass them, bro. Yeah, just pass them. There's no point. There's no point of buying an eval, canceling it, and it expires even if you passed it. You know what I mean? Because they're just gonna delete the account. So just if you have an eval right now that you're planning on holding, you might as well just trade on it. You know, pass it, activate it, and then just hold it. You know what I mean? You'll be good. Yo, era, bro. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The market is getting a little bit choppy. We have volume, which is a good thing. At least we have volume. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, it's getting a little bit choppy, bro. We're stuck in this range. Like we can't break below, we can't break above it. And ES is kind of the same way. Hopefully, we can start breaking out of something soon. But man, you know, I don't want to be trading anything in the chop, especially on Thanksgiving week. You know what I mean? But yeah, by the way, for the people joining in, once again, oh wait, we're kind of ripping up a little bit here. One sec. Let me lock in. I was about to say, hold up. Hold on, don't rip without me. Hold up. Do not rip without me. One sec. I think 10. Yeah, it's 10 a.m. The macro time. That's why. I was about to say, like, what the heck? Hold on, guys. Let me prepare one more time, bro. Because it was shorts, it was longs and shorts and longs and shorts and longs. You know what I mean? But yeah, right now we're low-key ripping a little bit here, so hopefully we can start seeing the move. I'm gonna delete this rally gap just so the chart isn't so ugly and like so like. Let me see and make sure everything's right. 803, 928, and 977. Okay. Let me just make sure everything looks good. Oh wait. I have to put it here as well. Okay. And then we go here. Okay. All right, be ready, guys. We're about to break through this high. We're getting a lot more buying pressure. ES is ripping. I'm not gonna lie. ES is ripping even harder than NQ is. So that's even an even better sign. You know what I mean? Now that both are going up and holding above the level of liquidity, that's really good. I mean, we can expect higher now. Now the question is how much pressure can we get into this inverse? That's a real question. Because there's no trade without pressure. You know what I mean? No matter if we inverse it or not, we need to know that buyers are in control to seek higher. So hopefully we get that pressure soon. Remember, all we need to do is break and hold above 730, and that'll be good for an entry. All right, guys, just so you guys know, a hold above 730 will be a good entry. All right. So yeah, just be ready for that. Now let me kind of just screenshot this and this. Okay. Okay, we're getting the inverse. All right, so let's see if we can hold above it with a lot of buying pressure. Just wait for a nice break above and then just look to enter. All right, guys. So yeah, just be ready. Have your mouse over the buy button. All right, guys. We're hopefully gonna enter soon. Just wait. We need buying pressure. Maybe about like 733 would be good. Wait. We're kind of dancing around it. Give it a second. Hold on. Okay, I'm in. We're holding above it. So that's a pretty good sign to me. So I got to fill at 24,736. All right, guys. 736 is my fill. Very nice. Hopefully we can seek a lot higher. ES is holding a lot above here. It's has a lot of buying pressure. It has a little bit more buying pressure than NQ. So if anything, ES might hit the price targets before NQ does. So if we do end up doing that on ES, obviously we will take scales on ES first. But yeah, just so you guys know, All right. Now my stop loss would be placed at 693, my preset stop loss. So 693 would be my stop. All right, guys. 693. So sell 10 stops there. Okay. I don't know. I don't really know if a 35-point stop loss will be good in this market, but we'll find out. All right, guys. All right, I'm going to put it up real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. All right, there we go. Now it's pretty much just sit back and see what the trade does. Now, I am going to be watching ES first on my chart, just because ES does have a little bit more buying pressure, so we might hit the high first. Now, if we take out this high, I might take out some scales here. All right, guys? So just pay attention to that. All right? I don't really care how much I'm up. I just don't want to risk a deal sweep. All right? So, yeah. All right, let me just double check here everything. Remember, guys, we're paying attention over to ES. Hopefully, if we take out 686, we can see a little bit higher on NQ, just because we're kind of dancing around this inverse a little bit. But we'll see soon. Once again, if ES takes out 686, I'll probably take something out. I don't know how much I'll be up if we take that out, but we'll see. Because remember, ES is kind of picking up a little bit more buying pressure than NQ is. So ES will probably hit the level of liquidity first. So just pay attention. All right, guys. Let me see. All right, we're kind of pumping here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and scale 7 out. All right, guys, I went ahead and scaled here. He has to take out the level of liquidity, so I went ahead and scaled. All right, guys, I went ahead and scaled. How much are we up? We should be up about what? Oh, 35 points. Oh, okay, not bad. I'm going to take one more off here, guys. I went ahead and scaled even more. Very nice. I'm going to scale one more here. Okay. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Hey, psst. Hey. Bro, my cat is biting my other cat, bro. What are you doing, bro? All right, 45 points here, guys. Yeah. Scale. Beautiful. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Let's get it. Let's go. Scale 9 out of 10 contracts here for a... How much are we up? Wrong, guys. 1.2. Wait. How much? 1.12. Guys, if you want to move your stop loss to break even, you definitely could. All right, guys. I didn't get a chance to move it to break even, but I'm going to do it right now. Oops. My bad. But yeah, guys, you guys can start going to break even now. Hold on. I got to type this. Beautiful trade, guys. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Everyone in here should have caught this trade. It was a pretty nice trade. But yeah, guys, once again, my stop loss is at break even. I might get stopped out of break even soon. We're right next to the entry. But I don't even care. I'm already green like crazy. Yes, there we go. All right, guys. I got out of break even, guys. Yeah, no, you're good. Guys, everyone should be green, bro. Let's go, man. It barely went red. What do you mean? Oh, yeah. Easiest trade? Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Let's go. Guys, if you guys are green, guys, do me a favor and post your profits over in the profit channel. Guys, I think it's time to release the indicator, bro. Oh, man, I am nervous, bro. I haven't seen 40 points. What? Not even 35 points, bro. But yeah, guys, before I release it, guys, before I do it, guys, post your profits over in the profit channel, guys. Post your profits over in the profit channel if you guys are green, guys. All right, guys, do me a huge favor. Let's go. All right, guys. All right, bro. I'm nervous, bro. Oh man. Okay. Look, the indicator's right here, guys. I just have to make the channels public, bro. Oh man, I am a little bit nervous here. I don't even know how to go about it. But yeah, guys, if you guys are green, guys, I know everyone should be green in here. Let me make sure I removed all my orders. Okay. But yeah, man. Everyone in here should be green. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wait. My cat wants to go outside. One sec. Cookie. Hey. All right, man. I'm a little nervous, bro. I don't know if I should do it right now on stream because anything can go wrong, or if I just release it like a little bit later in the day. Oof. It's right here, guys. It's right here, bro. Let me show you guys what I have. Look, guys, I have everything all organized. All right, guys. But dude, I'm nervous, bro. Like, I don't want anything to go. Let me see if this indicator even caught the trade. Hold on, guys. Let me double check. But yeah, guys, really nice way to start the week, man. It's Thanksgiving week. It's gonna be a short week, so any profit that we make is good profits. Always. But let's see if we caught this trade. One sec. Let me see. Let me use the replay feature. Okay, so now that we're bullish, let's see if we caught this trade. Come on. Did it catch it off the 15-minute inverse? Come on. Let it load. It did. Yes, sir, bro. Yeah, guys, the indicator ended up catching the trade, bro. Nice, bro. Yeah. Look, guys, it caught the trade. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Let's go. Obviously, you would have gone stop that break even already, but very nice trade, guys, man. Oof. Very nice. So yeah, guys, literally the same trade that we ended up catching right now. The indicator went ahead and caught it. Same idea, same buy, same game plan, same everything. So very nice. Very nice. All right. I do have to adjust the stop loss real quick though. All right, guys. Now, wait. Before you guys get off, obviously I'm gonna try to post the indicator right now. But look, guys, when I release this indicator, it depends on you guys. But for me, I have been using 35 point stop loss a lot more recently. So if you guys are obviously following my stop loss, if you guys get the indicator, first thing you should do is go to settings, scroll all the way down, and you guys will find all the way down here something that says NQ profile, stop loss, size, and points. Just move it to 35. It will be auto set to 30. Just set it to 35. That's what I've been using. And that gives me a pretty good stop loss. And my cat is meowing again, guys. One sec. He wants to go into the garage. One sec. All right, guys, I'm back. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys were able to catch this trade. All good. Let me check out the profit channel, man. Once again, guys, no one should be red today. No one. Like, if you guys are red today, bro, I will be speechless. You know, this trade was a pretty straightforward trade. We hit the price target on ES. We hit the 1-to-1 and more on NQ for about 40-ish points. So it was a really good trade. All right, guys, everyone should be green. All right, guys. Very nice, Jay. Really nice on passing your account, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm a little nervous, bro. Now it's time to release the indicator. Okay. All right, guys. So, all right, fuck it. I'm just gonna say fucking and just do it. Like, if we have any issues, I'll just fix it. All right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna make it public. Are you guys ready? Okay, wait. How many people are in here, bro? Okay, 500. Okay, so bro. Okay. Okay, you guys ready? Man's edging. Oh, guys, I gotta go. Hold on. I gotta go. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay. All right, let's do it. Yeah, I'm nervous, bro. All right, hold on. Let's do it. Okay, guys, let me just make all the channels public. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. So wait. So let me see. Manage channels. Give me like 5 minutes, like 3 minutes. Let me just like do all this. Okay, manage permissions. No. Create invite. Yes. Send messages. No. Yes. No. Hold up, guys. Stay here for 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Hold on. Let me just. I just have to. Okay, I made that public. Hold on, guys. Let me make this public now. Can I just sync it? Yeah, sync now. Sync permissions. Okay, guys, it's public. Okay, I'm nervous, bro. I'm hoping everything goes good. Wait, no. Sync now. There you go. Sync now. Okay. All right. I'm nervous. All right, guys. Now, if you don't see it here, look, quickly go to browse. Look, I know it's going to be an issue. Guys, go to browse channels over here. Show. It's cat, bro. Go to browse channel, guys. Over here. And then scroll all the way down. And you're going to see the 85% win rate indicator tab. Just make sure you're following the category, just in case you don't see the channel. All right, guys. But bro, I'm nervous, bro. Okay. Yeah, guys, here. If you guys want to try to get it, here, guys. Get access. Man, I'm nervous, bro. I hope everything goes good, man. I hope everything goes good. Yeah, guys, here. Once again, get access. All right, I don't see it. Just click here. Breathe in. I just don't want anything to go wrong. That's all. That's all. Now, guys, real quick, let me know if you guys see it, man. Let me know if you guys see it. And everything. Now, once again, guys, okay, look, if you guys are getting it, what's it called? Okay. So look, go to WAP, click, okay, look, right here. So look, if you guys click the link, you can get it here. You scroll down, right here, where it says on your WAP, where it says profile, click profile. All right, guys, your profile, it's not too hard to miss. All right, guys, you're gonna see all the menus here. You can see profile, click profile, then click connected companies, and under add new account, it will say trading view. Add your trading view username. For those that don't know how to find it, go to your trading view, click up here, and it'll say it right here. Right? Obviously, you have to be logged into your trading view, but it'll say it right here. For me, it's DavidMon99. That's my username, right? So right here. All right, guys. Now, let's see. So go back to Discord. Okay. So go here, link it, and then once you do that, all you need to do is, let's see. Okay, then you're gonna click here on the Blastoise Premium, right here, on my logo, and you're gonna see under home, you're gonna see something that says Trading View. All right, you just click Claim Indicator. All right, once you guys claim the indicator, all you need to do is go to your Trading View. All right, guys. Once you go to your Trading View, you're gonna go to Indicators. Right? Remember, this is after you link your indicator, you put your username, and you click Claim Indicator. Then you're gonna go to Indicators and click Invite Only. All right, once you click invite only, it will show up as FVG/IFVG indicator. All right, so I'll delete mine right here. Right, look, go to indicators, click this, and it will just show up. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, hopefully you guys don't have any issues, but if you do, it'll be this right here. Right there, guys. Included for lifetime. I do have to work on that, so if you guys are lifetime, hold on it for a minute. I do have to work around something. I'm gonna see what I could do for lifetime, but yeah, for lifetime, yeah, I gotta work around it. I'm gonna see what I could do for lifetime. Will you check? Yo, oh my, bro, I'm looking nervous, bro. This dude, bro. Do you recommend using the 15-minute time frame indicator? I use it and it works pretty good. I use both the 5-minute and the 15-minute on the indicator. But yeah, guys, dude, I am nervous, bro. But yeah, let me know. Dude, I don't even know what to say, bro. But yeah, if you guys are lifetime, I'm gonna see what I could do. I don't know. I gotta see. Because it's a whole different thing. You know what I mean? Where to claim the indicator? Okay, so right here. Dude, I am nervous as hell, bro. Okay, after connected. Okay. So look, right here. Okay, so go to instructions right here. So guys, once again, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. All right, guys, if you guys already got it, you guys are free to leave. You know, obviously we caught the trade and everything. But guys, once again, go to instructions, right? Once you claim it and everything, go to your profile on WAP. It'll be right here, right? So if you click, look. So you get it, right? You click join and everything. After you click join, click on WAP up here. All right, it's like the logo up here. You're gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to the home page. Once you're on the home page, you're gonna see a button or a few buttons like this. Just click on your profile down here. All right, guys. If you're on your phone, it's the same thing. All right, guys. Under profile down here, then you're gonna click on connected companies right here, and then under add new account, you're gonna see a button that says trading view. You're gonna click that, and it's gonna ask you for your username. No password, no nothing, just your username. You're gonna type your username, and you're gonna click link. And then under connected companies, you're gonna see your Discord, which is how you guys are in the premium, and you're gonna see your trading view. All right. Once you get that, you're gonna go down a little bit, and then you're gonna go to Blastoise Premium under like all your connected, like under all your WAPs that you're in, whether you're in Profit Insider, Mine, or whatever. You're gonna click on this right here, my logo right here. It'll say like Blastoise Premium or Blastoise Indicator or whatever. It's my logo, right? Whichever name it says, right? Then you're gonna click on Trading View under the home right here. You're gonna see something that says Trading View. Then it's gonna take you to this page. Access your Trading View indicator. All you need to do is put your username and then click Claim Indicator. Once you do that, go to your trading view. No, wait. Once you guys are in your trading view, before you do anything, it might not show up because you need to refresh your page. So on your trading view, whether you're on your phone or your computer, you can either close the app and reopen it or click Control R on your keyboard. All right. Once you click Control R, it will refresh the page like this. Right. Then you click on indicators and it should show up under invite only. All right. Under right here, you're going to open up indicators right here. Scroll all the way down, invite only. Click this, script name, and it should show up like that. All right, guys. And just like that, you guys will have the indicator pretty much all put up and ready. All right, guys. So hopefully you guys are doing good with that, man. I really hope everything's going good, bro. But yeah, oh my, a lot of people are green today as well, bro. Just passed. Beautiful, bro. Nice. There you go. There's your roll, bro. Let's go. Ready? Oof, bro. I'm nervous, bro. But yeah. Let me see. David, the trade only hit 32 points. It depends on your entry. I don't really measure it from my entry, but I did tell you guys whenever ES hits the level of liquidity, I would trim. All right, guys. So once again, if you look at this right here, I told you guys once ES hits this high up here at 686, I would take scales no matter how much I'm up. We hit it. I took scales, moved to break even, got stopped out. I'm green on the day. All right, guys. I don't want to hear anyone saying that you're red because there's no reason to be red. All right. Let me see. Give us another trade. Well, you guys have the indicator. So if it finds anything else, bro, by all means, you guys can take it. But yeah, someone send the channel link. Once again, if you guys don't see the channel, all you need to do is go to browse channels here, scroll down, and you're gonna see something that says win rate indicator. Just click follow category, and it'll show up. All right, guys. But yeah, now let me catch up with the chat. David, what are your settings? Got this error. Let me see. Script it in like, oh yeah, because you have to link your trading view. David, 8D, my settings are only 35 points. So just move your stop loss on NQ from 30 to 35 points. Dude, there's so much going on, bro. It loaded up and I connected my trading view, but it says invite only. Make sure that you refresh your trading view. All right? Make sure you refresh your trading view. Dude, there's so much going on, bro. Oh my, it's going to be a long day today, bro. Okay. I've never clicked browse channels and there are way more channels than I've seen. Dude, I don't know why Discord does that, bro. They hide all of the channels that I have, bro. Is it out already? Yeah, bro, it is. It is. But yeah, once again, guys, if you guys are having issues, please just read through the instructions. It's 3 clicks. All right, guys, please. But yeah. All right, Henry. Okay. If anything, scroll down. It should be around there. All right, bro. Step 3 doesn't show on trading view. Hold on. Okay, wait. There's so much going on. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on. 0 promo code? No. no. I'm not gonna do discounts for that one. But yeah, guys, here's the link to it. David, where did I catch a trade at? I'm confused. Right here, bro. Just replay this back. Right here. But yeah, let me just double check that it's giving access to everyone. Give me 1 sec, guys. I have to do it on my laptop real quick. Hold up. Yeah, look, I caught the trade right here. Okay, 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Okay, manage access. Okay. So, oh my, bro, 60 of you guys have it already? Oh my, dude, I am, bro. Once again, guys, first of all, thank you for everything. Wow, okay. That's a lot of people, bro. 60 people already got it, bro. Okay, but yeah, I'm seeing here 60 people users have access. Now, if a lot more people got it, guys, please, please, please read through the instructions because it's working for a lot of people. If it's not working for you guys, it's because you're doing something wrong. All right, guys. So once again, make sure, please, 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 please. Hold on. I'm gonna change my overlay real quick just so you guys can see everything. One sec. Overlay 2. Okay. Now, guys, once again, please, please go to WAP. Once you guys, if you guys got it, if you guys are gonna get it, whatever, go to your settings, go to your profile settings, and link your trading view. Once you link your trading view, just go to the indicator and click claim access. Once you claim access, just go to your trading view, refresh your page, and then just click on indicators, and it'll be right there. All right, guys. So thankfully, it's hopefully running good. Um, thankfully, hopefully, it's running good and everything. For you guys. All right, man. Okay, you got it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it's running for some people. Okay, perfect, perfect. You don't have see about the release anymore. Yeah, but now I have to answer a million questions about the help, bro. Oof. Okay, okay, dude, guys, I am so nervous, bro. Okay. By the way, once again, guys, bro, thank you so much for the support, man. Dude, today we literally had 700 people in the stream. I don't think I've ever had that many people. Maybe a few times, but dude, that is a lot of fucking people, bro. Um, so yeah, once again, thank you guys for obviously trusting me with my trades, the indicator, the support, and wow. Okay, that's dude. I am okay. Can you make it after the lifetime people that keep asking about or to wait for a bit? The thing is, okay, if I'm being honest with you guys, with the lifetime, when I made the lifetime, I never really made it like it's a whole different like package thing. Let me see. TradingView is linked, but I don't see it on WAP. Okay, if you don't see it on WAP, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay, so wait, let me see. Hold on. Let me log into another account and see what you guys are seeing. One sec, one sec, one sec. Okay, wait, wait. You know, it'll be easier if we do this. One second. Okay, please. Okay, someone that I could trust. Someone that I could trust. All right. Um, if anyone, okay, look, whoever got the indicator and it's not showing up, I'm gonna have you guys get added into the stream. All right, guys. Please don't say anything bad. Don't say anything stupid. I'm live on YouTube. All right. But guys, I'm gonna add you onto the stream and I'm gonna guide you guys on how to do it. All right, guys. And then everyone else can follow along if you guys are seeing it. All right. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and delete and not delete. I'm gonna mute my desktop audio on YouTube just because I know you guys are trolling a lot. All right, guys. But bro, okay, who can I trust? Who can I trust? Bring up Jenna. I can trust Jenna, but Jenna, did you end up getting it? Lifetime? Okay, yeah, like I said, with the lifetime, the thing is, with the whole lifetime, I already include the live trading and the alerts and everything. The indicator is a whole different thing. So I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Um, but yeah, okay, okay. But on a more serious note, okay, who can I trust to get on stream and screen share so I can guide you guys through the on how to apply it if you guys aren't seeing it just like this. All right, guys, it's probably because you guys are doing something wrong. I'll do it. Okay, okay, okay. If you want, just click on the. There's gonna be like a little hand thing. Just click on it, and I'll add you on. If you want, just stay muted. You don't have to do anything. Just screen share. And I'll guide you, and you just go through it, bro. Let me see. JW. Wait, I don't have it yet. Oh no, you're good. No, no. Whoever has it, just so we can do it quick. Just request to speak, and I'll add you on. But just tell me that you got it first, so I can do it. Okay, yeah, get on. Minato. I got it. Oh yeah, yeah. Just request. Just request. Just click on the little hand thing here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stop screen sharing here. By the way, bro, you can stay muted if you want. You don't have to talk. It's just wait 360. Wait, what do you mean 360? It works? Yeah, no, it's working for everyone. Obviously, I have it set up good, but a lot of people they don't see it. So you just have to click claim indicator. All right, I can't see your name. What do you want to show everyone? I just want to show everyone how to click claim indicator because they're not seeing it. It works. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. That guys. Yeah. Just request so I can get someone on. Wait. Okay. Minato. Right here. Right here. Right here. I can share from my phone. Yeah, bro. Get on. Get on. Whoever. 350. I didn't do that. Oh, dude, you're probably in Europe, bro. So with taxes and everything, bro. For some reason, WAP does it like that. I'm gonna try to change it, but it's set to 250 for lifetime. But I'm requesting. Yeah, I'm allowing you on. I don't know why it's not getting on. Dude, there's so much going on, bro. I'm all over the place. Ready to go? Yeah, yeah. Just okay. Request again. Let me see something. Request again. It still says 350. Oh, one sec. Let me double check. Let me make sure I didn't make a typo. One sec, guys. One sec. Yeah, 250 once. Hold on. Let me refresh this. One sec, guys. Wait. Hold on, guys. Yeah, 250. Edit. Yeah, 250. I don't know why it says 350. It's not supposed to say that. Hold on, look. I think because of tax. I don't know. That's not supposed to happen. Hold on. Yeah, if it says 300, guys, do not buy it, bro. No. I don't want to charge that much, bro. Hold on, look. But why? Okay, if you guys want to buy the lifetime, don't get it. I don't know. Don't. If it says 250 for you guys, then yeah, it works. But if it says anything more, then it's too much because I have to contact WAP because yeah, no, that's way too much. Let me see. Advanced options. Is it under taxes or something? Oh my god. Yeah, no, I don't know. It says 250 for me. Okay, yeah, maybe don't get lifetime yet unless it says 250. Let me contact WAP and see what they have to say. Real quick. 20% tax in UK? Nah, that's too much, bro. Hold on, bro. I have to fix that real quick. But yeah, dude, the chat is going crazy, bro. Okay, indicator. Oops, something went wrong in the indicators. Click the arrow. Dude, I think it's because so many people are using it, bro. That it's going down, bro. Okay, bro. There's so much. Okay. It crashed. The indicator crashed. Dude, it's because everyone is getting it all at once, bro. No way. Hold on, bro. I think the indicator crashed because everyone got it, bro. Hold on. Please tell me it crashed. You guys are literally breaking TradingView, bro. Hold on. Okay, no, it's working for me. Okay, I think it's back up. It's a little bit slow though because everyone is getting it. Okay, thankfully. Thank God. Okay. Now, guys, dude. Okay, remember, dude, I paid a lot, bro, so I'm just getting a break even right now. Okay, guys, okay, so for the people that got it, for the people, wait, okay, guys, hold on. Now, if it says lifetime 360, it's because of taxes on where you live. I'm gonna contact Walk and I'm gonna tell them to remove that. I don't want taxes on it. I don't know why they're charging taxes on it. But yeah, are you gonna leave the same price forever? Yeah. It's gonna, yeah. I'm not gonna upcharge it. Guys, for the people getting it, is it loading? Is it working good? Is it loading? Or are you guys having issues? Let me know. It works. Yes, working. Let me know, guys. It's good. Working well. It's not loading. Okay, what is it telling you? Cito? Let me know so I can fix it. It's loading. Needs a big time. Okay. No, yeah. If you guys are getting access error, that's probably because TradingView. So many people are getting it all at once, and it's probably like just crashing something, and it's just not loading. Is it normal to have all these lines? Yeah, bro. That's all the levels of liquidity. That's everything marked out, bro. That's how we have the indicator coded. How did I get the indicator? Okay. Hold on. Right here, under get access. I'm gonna make an announcement on it right now. But yeah, is it normal to have all these lines? The hell? Dude, how many indicators do you have? But okay, yeah, okay, so let me see. Yeah, so if you guys are getting this, I'm gonna try to fix it right now. I think it's because maybe TradingView is going down a little bit. Or no. Okay. I get it. It just happened to me. Guys, if the indicator is not loading for you guys, it's probably because you guys have other indicators that it's probably messing something up. It happened to me. I had to delete all of my indicators and then you reapply it and it should work. Yo, why are we getting charged a service fee? I don't know. I never set that up, so I have to contact WAP. So if you guys are getting that, just don't get it until then. Until I tell you guys. Dude, I am nervous, dude. Okay. Let me see. Close your and reopen it. Yeah, that could work too. But just delete all your indicators. Let me see. I only have ICT closes in this one and it's working fine. Okay, perfect. Okay, now if you guys are seeing this right here under Blastoise Premium, all right, get out of like click on the homepage again, and instead of searching up Blastoise Premium, try searching up IFG indicator. and it should work. All right, guys, it should load up. All right, guys, so look right here. Look, okay, look under this page right here, right? Okay, look, right here, right? So you see how he doesn't see anything? Go to the search bar right here, right? And under that search bar, where you guys are gonna search up, is this. One sec, guys. Hold on. Where you guys are gonna search up is hold on. You're gonna search up. Let me see. What do you search up? Let me see. Is it under experiences? Okay, for the people that have it coded and everything, where did you guys see it? Like what did you guys search up to see it? Was it trading view tab? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, for the people that got it, what did you guys search up to see it on the trading view tab? Just search up Blastoise. Okay, hold on. Blastoise. Their experiences. Hold up, guys. Blastoise. Dude, I don't know why WAP makes it so like hard to do. Hold up. Let me see. For my phone, lifetime is 359. My computer says 250. I don't know why. I didn't set it up like that. I'm gonna contact WAP and try to fix it. Let me see. Yo, David, is normal? Yeah, that's normal. Wait. Let me see. Let me make sure everything looks good. Hold on. Is it normal? Okay, so you're on the 5-minute time frame. Maybe it's trying to find a setup all the way up there. Let me see. I don't think that's normal. Let me see. One sec. The 5-minute time frame. It should be finding a setup like somewhere here. Let me see what it says. Hold up. Oh yeah. No, on the 5-minute, it's probably bugged because there's so many setups here on the 5-minute time frame. But if you go to like the 15-minute time frame, it's gonna find the nearest setup. All right, yeah. Sometimes the 5-minute, just when it finds a setup that's very, very far away, it's gonna mark it out all the way up here. All right. But yeah, it's not an issue. It's just because it doesn't have any nearby setups. But once it finds a nearby setup with the new bias, it'll mark it out right there. All right, guys. That's just because it doesn't have any nearby setups with any nearby bias. All right, guys. So yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, wait, let me see. Wait. Hold on. What I could, guys. Okay. I got it. Okay, so for the people that don't see it, right here, click this link. I'm sending it over in the live trading chat. All right, guys. Right here. Look. For the people that don't see for the people that don't see the thing on like this, look. For the people that wait. Right here. For the people that don't see it here, just click on this link. Just click this link right here. I'm gonna spam it in the chat. All right, guys. Just click that link and it should show up the trading view so you can claim the indicator. All right, guys. So if you click this link, if I'm not mistaken, you see? Yep, it should say claim indicator. All right, guys. I'm gonna put that in the instruction channel real quick. I have to edit the message. All right, guys. Okay, man. Hopefully you guys, hopefully it's working for all of you guys, man, and hopefully you guys can make a lot of money with it, man. Oh man, I am nervous, bro. I am very nervous. Okay. Yeah, I think we're pretty much good. Yeah. So guys, once again, click the link that I'm sending in the chat. If you guys don't see it on your WAP after you guys got it, click this link in the chat. All right, guys. Look right here. This link right here. Click this link and it should show up as claim indicator. Once you claim it, it should be on your trading view. All right, David. Yeah, right there. Just click that and it should load up all good. All right, bro. Make sure you have good data. Yeah. Everything's here. Yeah. Just obviously if it says that it's locked, it should be good. You should have it. Actually, yeah, just click that and it should load up pretty good. All right, bro. I have it. Perfect. All right, is there a setting to change that can change for this? For now, no. We're gonna roll out a new update very soon, so we can change the UI on it. So obviously it can you can have it like here and here, but for now we have it just set like that. We're gonna change it though. We just have to update it. Don't be nervous, bro. I just want it to be working good and no one has issues with it. You know what I mean? Are updates included? Of course. Yes. I'll let you guys know when there's a new update and everything. All right. Obviously, as we go on in the markets, conditions change and everything, we're gonna be updating the logics and everything for it. But you guys, it'll all be included. All right, guys. Okay, so look right here. Anita, I'm not gonna read your full name because I trust me, I've read your full name before, and but just click this link and it should show up. All right, bro. Just click that link. All right. Use the link and it still shows this. Are you sure? Okay, for the people that didn't see it, is it working for you guys? Use that link and it still shows this. Are you sure you got it as well? Because it's not gonna show up unless you got it. Hold on, let me just double check here everything. Okay, trading view. Hold on. App settings. Okay. One sec, guys. Let me make sure everything is good here. Yeah, access. Select which products have access to this app. Yeah, fair value gap indicator. Yeah, so you can't see it unless you get the fair value gap indicator first. Once you get it, then you click the link and it should show up. It only shows for the 5 minute and 15 minutes. No. It works on every time frame. It works on every time frame. All right. All right, guys. One second. Let me see, guys. I don't see it, but I have it connected. Just refresh your trading view. Refresh your trading view. Everything's good for me. Yeah, I'm just helping the people that don't have it. What trading view plan do we need for live data? CME group. It's called CME group. CME group. Just do it, bro. CME group like this. Okay. Yeah, if you don't see it, guys, if you got it and you don't see it, obviously you need to refresh your trading view. If not, it will not load. Once you refresh it, it'll be there. All right, guys. Man around, bro. But yeah, man. Okay, I have to. Okay, guys, I have to get off stream soon because I have to edit a lot of stuff with the indicator. Under the instructions, I'm gonna put the link on how to get it. So yeah, I have to edit that really quick. All right, guys. So yeah, do you have a tutorial on the indicator? Yes, it's under instructions right here. I'm gonna send you the channel right now. One sec, guys. One sec. Who said that? Do you have a tutorial right here under instructions? Hold on. Hashtag. Boom. Okay. Oh my god, dude, there's so much shots, bro. Hold on. Why is your lock sign? Because it's an invite only. So if you get it, you should have it. If not, then obviously it will lock you out. Great job. Thank you. And by the way, hopefully you guys are green on the day, man. And hopefully you guys made a lot of money with me today on the trades. All right, guys. Can you invite me? Well, yeah, you have to get it from WAP. Here. Yeah, man, guys, I'm about to get off the stream. I don't want to hold you guys in here for too long. But yeah, I have to get back to work on this indicator, make sure everything is running smoothly. All right, guys, I have to get back to work. All right. So yeah, if you guys already got everything, if you guys are green on the day, you guys don't need me anymore for today. You guys are free to get off. All right, guys. You guys are free to get off. All right. All right, it's working for Xenon, whatever your name is. Love, man. Much love, guys. Much love, man. Much love. It works. I got you on it, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You mean stay on the trade, bro? Okay, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be editing this now. I'm gonna get off so I can fully focus on this and not have to like talk every 2 seconds. I'm gonna add you guys in the premium chat. Just keep your eyes out. If you guys got it and it's not working, just message me. And I got you guys. But let me fix this first, and then I'll tell you guys how to fix it. All right, guys. Purchase. Where do you find it? Here, let me send you a link. One sec. Because I have to fix that. I have to ask WAP how everyone could see it as well. But for now, just click this link and it should be showing up. All right. David, let me know. All right, bro. Thank you, bro. Much love, bro. Much love, man. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for the support, bro. Like, I didn't even think it was gonna be this much, bro. But yeah, man. Yo, David, is the indicator gonna affect these lives every single week? No, not at all, bro. Not at all. I'm gonna be live every single day, just like always, bro. It's like nothing changed. It's just if you need the indicator, it's available. You know. But yeah, man. Give away the indicator. Maybe. I mean, I could do some funded accounts in the indicator. I never got to doing the giveaway for the funded account, guys, because I got so busy with publishing the indicator. I just didn't have time. Thank you, Hawkeye, bro. Thank you. Hey, guys. Once again, I'm not gonna hold you guys in here for too long. I'm gonna get back to work ASAP. Let me see. Remember, bro, you have to link it. Kaylor, I think it's name, Kaylor Thomas. You need to link your trading view and then refresh. Once you link your trading view to your WAP, click claim indicator and then refresh your trading view. Once you refresh it, it should load up. All right. Thank you, lovely. Thank you. Yeah, guys, once again, I can't hold you guys in for too long. I'm gonna get back to work. All right, guys, I have to get straight to work. All right, I have to make sure everything is running smoothly. All right, can you check my? Yeah, I'm gonna check everything now, bro. But let me get this done. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off the stream, guys. I'm gonna fully focus on this, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, stay active in the chat. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, peace out. And by the way, if you guys want to keep trading on it, now that you guys have an indicator, if it shows any other setup, you guys by all means can take it. All right, guys. But yeah, we're gonna be rolling out updates, making sure that it's running smoothly and everything. So yeah, be sure with that. All right, guys. Lifetime can get it. Yeah, you can get it, bro. The link is right there, bro. Here. The thing is, I don't think I'm gonna include it free for the lifetime. Maybe I do like a discount because it's a whole nother package. You know what I mean? With the lifetime, all I include is the live trading. Like it's what you know what I've sold in the first place. All right. Let me see. Anyone know how to fix this? I got the indicator working on my PC setup. It's not working on my app. Just refresh it. Refresh your trading view, and it should work. All right, bro. Oh, bro, I see why, bro. You're not trading NQ, bro. You're trading NDQ, whatever that is, bro. Search up NQ, bro. That's why it's not working, guys. Right here, you're on the wrong ticker, bro. You're trading N. I didn't even know this was a thing. Yeah, you're good, bro. Just search up NQ and it will load up. All right, bro. Search up NQ. All right. But yeah, is included for members. Yeah. Right here, bro. Right here. But yeah, guys. Once again, I know I've said it a million times. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. All right, guys. Thank you, bro. Peace out, CT. Guys, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get back to work. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, I'm gonna update it. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Stay active in the chat. Let me get back to work. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys agree, man. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, if you guys enjoyed the stream, if you guys made some money with me, you know, I'm really glad. Once again, if you guys want to get access to this, here I'm gonna send the link over here in the thing right here, guys. One sec. Right there. What time frame is the best for the indicator? The 5 and 15-minute time frame. All right, guys. But yeah, here's the link to the indicator if you guys do want to join it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get off stream, guys. I have to get back to work. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Join the free Discord if you guys want. If you guys have any questions, you don't have to join the premium. Just join the free Discord. And I'll be active there. All right, guys. I'm not gonna be so active on YouTube. All right, so just join the free Discord there. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, I'm gonna be active in Discord, just fixing up the channels. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit, in a minute. All right, guys. Peace out. Hopefully you guys are green. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, or just join the Discord and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right, guys.